Hello, let me introduce you. My name is Syamsyarief Baqaruzi from Institute Technology Sumatra or ITERA. We are with presentation about our title, The Forecasting of Using Electricity Consumption at ITERA until 2025 to Improve Application of Renewable Energy in Lampung Province. This is our abstract. ITERA is a new campus located in Lampung Province, Indonesia. It is almost 6 years old with a large data of the total population human activity in this 275-hectare campus around 950 persons. So that ITERA must be able to bring a paradigm shift to be used from electricity consumption in this surrounding area. The result of this study will project electricity usage in ITERA over the next 5 years, where electricity usage in ITERA in 2019 is 2.4072 gigawatt-hour or 6,775 kilowatt-hour per day. Expect with a development strategy to implementing the efficiency of green energy so that can meet the challenge of reducing carbon dioxide emission and the energy saving behavior, also keep sustainable impact for Indonesia. This is our introduction. From figure 1, you can see the appearance of ITERA building. From figure 2, you can see the potential of renewable in Lampung province with the geothermal, wind, waste, solar cell, hydro and bioenergy. Our strategy implemented is efficient in energy. Our method is the research in the analysis of efficient energy and carbon dioxide emission, the saving action in government regulation, parallel with ITERA program for reduce the electricity consumption in this campus. From figure 3, you can see the electricity connect at ITERA from PTPLN. Currently, ITERA has total installed power electricity of 1,975.7 megawatts, with the average bill from 50 million rupiah per month. This is from figure 3. From figure 4, you have seen the carbon brief energy consumption in Indonesia with the coal, gas, oil from the number of year 2010 until 2070. The result, according to the information our provide in the new campus, we have the forecasting about the electricity consumption from the year by year from 2015 until 2025, with the forecast peak load is 10,000.3071 gigawatt, with the forecast annual bill from PTPLN per year is around 30 billion rupiah per year. This is our conclusion. From figure 5, you can see the layout plan ITERA solar cell power. We have the profile about the planning about the build the power plan about solar panel with the maximum 1 megawatt peak. The conclusion is ITERA expect with a development strategy to implement the efficiency of green energy with our building management system and behavior from our academician, so that can meet the challenge of the reducing carbon dioxide emission in the next year. We then build a solar cell power and plan connect with PLN grid for reducing our bill amount for fulfilling of electricity consumption. Make use of potency in renewable energy source not limited by solar cell, because Lampung province have another potency about the renewable energy. So the source for making a sustainable impact in Indonesia, especially Lampung province. That's all. Thank you.